Downtown Kalispell, Montana is one of the most coveted places to live in the Flathead Valley. The central location of this booming community allows an easy retreat to all the outdoor activities this beautiful landscape has to offer.
It also allows its residents the ability to stroll downtown Kalispell's bustling restaurants and boutiques, hike in Lone Pine State Park, mountain bike in Heron Park, swim or fish in Foy's Lake, or play in its many city parks and schoolyards. This neighborhood has it all, including speedy access to the Highway 93 bypass for big store shopping. Holly and I would like to present to you this charming 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, nearly 1,900 square foot craftsman-style home in the center of Kalispell. Welcome to 704 6th Avenue West. Walking onto this covered porch, you enter the front door and are greeted with a shotgun-style layout featuring the great room with large picture windows that flow into the kitchen seamlessly. The interior of the home has been recently painted and professionally cleaned to showcase a blank canvas for its new owner.
The first door to the left is bedroom number 1 with tons of storage. The second door on the left offers a full bathroom with great functionality. The third door on the left is a large primary bedroom with ensuite 3-piece bathroom, including plenty of closet space and overhead storage. Walk out of the primary bedroom and grab a cup of coffee in the entertainer's kitchen. All the north-facing windows create a ton of natural sunlight to keep your spirits up all day long.
Head downstairs to the nearly 900 square foot basement where you'll find the third bedroom, as well as extra living space, storage, and a laundry room. Directly out the kitchen door, you are greeted by an oversized attached 2-car garage with high ceilings and an extra storage loft for all your gear. Extra amenities include Hunter Douglas blinds, a newer furnace, partial window replacement, copper plumbing and PVC, recently trimmed trees, and all the appliances included.
We wanted to save a few outstanding features for last. How many times have you seen a 24 by 30 foot heated shop in the center of town? This massive shop is clean and spray foam insulated with double 10-foot electric overhead doors. There is also a private courtyard surrounded by a 6-foot vinyl privacy fence, and the whole backyard is fenced to keep your little critters close to home. One last thing, our sellers have already paid and scheduled a whole home exterior paint job for when weather permits. The new owner is completely set up for success.
Thank you so much, Holly, for delivering the icing on the cake for this beautiful property. If you're interested in touring this charming home, please contact myself, Holly, or your trusted real estate professional today. This is another Hidden Gem brought to you by the Hidden Homes Montana team and Keller Williams. Over and out.